Another day, another review. Maparas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's another POV drive. Hey, it'll be fun to drive that. And it's raining as well. But today, you're behind the wheel of the BMW 320i LCI. You're familiar with this car? Yeah, we did a lot of content with this car on this channel. So, yeah, if you don't know me, I'm Tokyo. Please subscribe. Yeah, today, we're driving this 2025 or 2026 BMW 320i LCI, by the way. Yeah, let's get the POV drive going.
Man I am this morning, asks the man I was last night. Why? Why did you have to be so proud and laugh in the faces of your friends? With all the wisdom you have acquired through life's hard lessons, why did you fall in love? Knowing all you know about love, why did you gamble with your life? Why do you gamble with your future? The man I am this morning is struggling to come to terms with the man I was last night. I am the morning after man. I know not the pleasure of the night before, just the pain the crisp cold air daybreak brings. But daybreak brings light, and light brings sharp clarity. Suddenly, the man I am this morning can see very clearly. I am a boy who has been forgiven.
There's a train that comes from Namibia and Malawi. There's a train that comes from Zambia and Zimbabwe. There's a train that comes from Angola and Mozambique, from Lesotho, from Botswana, from Swaziland, from all the hinterlands of southern and central Africa. This train carries young and old African men who are conscripted to come and work on contract in the gold and mineral mines of Johannesburg and its surrounding metropoli. 16 hours or more a day for almost no pay. Deep down in the belly of the earth, when they are digging and drilling for that shiny, mighty, evasive stone, or when they dish that mishmash mush food into their iron plates with the iron shower.
Look, I know you want more, but I can't give you that.
I'm out of here.